Plymouth and Hart are doing it again. There are princesses, elves, and dancing snowmen. Matt and Victoria are looking all Christmassy. They've got something planned. We wonder what could it be?
We are bringing the real Santa to Plymouth. Are you feeling ready?
Santa is flying in on his sleigh. He'll stand on our stage and then he'll say, "I'm here to switch on your Christmas lights." It's going to be the most magical of nights.
I've just heard we've got some very exciting news from our offices in London. Look at the screen, check it out.
We can confirm that Santa is on his way to you guys. At Heart, we've been tracking Santa since he left the North Pole just under an hour ago. And we tracked him crossing the Arctic Circle. Then we spoke to air traffic controllers at Stansted Airport who confirmed that he'd entered British airspace.
We can now get closer. Let's go to Bristol.
Tell us what you saw.
Oh my word, I can't believe it. All of a sudden, shadow comes over the car. I look up, it's Santa in his sleigh and he's heading towards the M5. I absolutely couldn't believe it. I'm gobsmacked. Amazing.
We're following his journey from the North Pole with reporters and cameras on Santa Patrol. We can see where he's going and where he's been seen, and it's all broadcast live on our Plymouth big screen.
Let's cross to Exeter. We think there's some news. Hello, James Dundon.
Yeah, hi Matt, hi Victoria, I can hear you. Hello Plymouth! Here we go, we're on the move. Right, so he's turning, wow, straight across the sea. He is now on course for you, Plymouth. This is so exciting. He is heading down the coast towards Teignmouth. Looks like he knows how to fly that sleigh.
Santa is coming. He'll soon be here. Look to the skies to spot his reindeer. Everyone's excited. Who'll see him first? I'm so excited I think I could burst.
We've just heard some pretty worrying news.
As you can see, Santa's not far away, but he's not going to be flying in on his sleigh to join you all just yet. Eyewitnesses have told me that his sleigh was on its way into the city centre when it just dropped down and landed here in the car park.
Plymouth City Bus can save the day with a recovery truck for Santa's sleigh. There's a bus to rush him straight into the city. There might be a happy ending to this ditty.
I mean, we're really filling for Santa.
Great news! Look who's here! Santa has arrived!
Oh, Santa! Thank goodness you're here. What happened?
It turned out the flux capacitor had gone wrong on my sleigh, so we had to land rather quickly. So I do have a few gifts for some very special children.
Right, okay,
but
good.
can we turn on these beautiful lights beforehand?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We've followed his journey every step of the way. Our reporters have made it a most magical day. Behind the scenes, the producers are stressed. So we'll just leave Santa to what he does best.